Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable birthday notification on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on notifications. Next, you can see the option of birthdays. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of on. Tick on by tapping on it. So, this is how you can enable birthday notification on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.